Hey guys, so I recently straightened my natural hair, and in today's video I'm gonna show you the exact process that I did to go from this to this gorgeous, natural and stress-free look.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never.
So this is how I started. This is my hair in its untouched state, no product, nothing. This is my before. Now the first step was to wash my hair and let it soak properly. Then I shampoo with the Tresemme shampoo. This is actually the first step because my hair is actually dirty, and as you can see it's not foaming the way it should. So I had to wash this step off, then I apply the second set, the second batch. Okay, so you can see the difference between the first wash and the second wash. So once your hair start forming like this, it shows your hair is clean. So I wash it off and I use my Tresemme conditioner for conditioning. So what I'm doing here is I'm sectioning my hair in different parts for the conditioner to go down the root, for you to give it a slip for easy combing. Always allow the conditioner to stay for a few minutes before you wash off. So I'm out of the shower and my hair is still damp. For this, I'm gonna be using my blow dryer, my hair straightener, hair serum, its protectant, and comb brush. Or you can see there. First of all, I blow dry my hair to dry it a bit. Then I apply my hair serum for shine, apply it all around my hair. Then I blow dry the hair to lock in the shine, or yeah, that's it. So the hair is dry, so I can easily comb my hair. I will be adding my secret hair growth oil for more shine, more full. Though this is one of the oil I've been using in my hair for a very long time. It's super effective. I will be showing you the process on how to make this in my next video, so just stay tuned. I've achieved a good long and a thick hair. Look at my hair, they are all full and I just don't know what to say. They are gorgeous. So let's start. I start by parting my hair in different sections. I'm applying my heat protectant. You don't just need heat protectants for wigs only. It also you can also use it for your natural hair because I'm applying heat on it. So I need to protect my hair too. So when straightening your hair, you want to start from the roots down to the tip of your hair, so you can get a good result. Because if you avoid the root side of your hair might look full, and it wouldn't give a good thing. It won't give a good texture, or yeah, it won't just give it that good sleek. Let me just put it that way. So yeah, I'm applying my heat protectant to every section of the hair. Then I comb my hair. Then I apply my straightener from the roots down to the tip of the hair so I can get a good sleek. I kept on working my way forward, taking sections of hair and doing one pass with a flat iron. One thing about this my flat iron is really dope and is so strong because I've been using this for over 2 years now and I've not gotten any problem with it. Got it because of my wig, because then I don't even know how to maintain my natural hair then. So I've been using it for my wigs and it have been serving me for a very long time, and I don't see any need of changing it because I really love it.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy.
So this is how it turns out, guys. We just two products, which was the hair serum and the secret hair growth oil. I love how my hair felt at the end. It's super lighter and sleek. So this is me trying to add extra to it because I always like side pattern. So what do you think, guys? Side parting or middle parting? Let me know at the comments. So I added my edge control to give it, okay, to lay down my baby hairs and to also make it stay in one place because I don't like all those flippy feet. What will I say? I don't like all those flippy hairs. So this is the end result. So guys, what do you think about this hairstyle? You can make it at the comfort of your house without spending much or without spending a dime outside. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear